Okay, a little bit of an update on the Missouri turbine and this cutting edge wind turbine grid tie inverter. I've been playing with this thing for the last year or so, haven't been very impressed with it. I don't feel that it's very efficient, and I have a hard time seeing what kind of power is coming out of the thing versus what's going in. It doesn't allow you to see any of that. So what I have done is I've opened it up, and as expected, it's got to come in on this side. Three-phase input goes to a three-phase rectifier. I disconnected the leads coming from the DC side of the rectifier, which is on top over here, ran leads to the outside, and then connected the leads that were connected to the output of the rectifier to more leads that go outside, and I ran it to this little meter. This is the same kind of meter as what I'm using with the rest of my stuff. I expect that it will be a blank screen anytime that I am not, spinning the blades, but it'll at least let me see what kind of power is going into this machine. And then I've got a watt meter that it feeds into going out, and I'll be able to kind of get a rough idea of what's going in and what's coming out of it. Looking at the inside of it, though, just for anybody who's curious, try to open it up. It really doesn't look too different from the other inexpensive grid tie inverters that I've been using. It does have a brake switch that, all it seems to do is short. I want to say it shorts the three-phase leads, but it looks like, let's see. Nope, that goes over there. Yeah, that's what it does. It shorts all the three-phase leads. And then it's hard for me. I think that this over here, this little daughter board, that's what's making it to where it can control voltage and keep up with everything else. With the other controllers, what I found, even you run them to a rectifier and then plug them into the grid tie controller, they change voltage so quickly that those grid ties, they can't keep up with it. Anyway, we're going to try this out, see what it does, see if it gives us any kind of interesting numbers. I have not yet seen anything real impressive come out of the Missouri turbine. I am hoping to get something out of it. I wasn't ever expecting it to be super powerful, but I expected it to make more than 200 watts peak. Anyway, stay tuned, and we'll see how this performs.